Alright, you can see this is a wooden canvas and it's pretty much permanent. So when you do the acrylic paint on the wooden canvas, it becomes almost steady and durable. And if you have a close look, you can see the rough texture of the wood. That's why it's getting interesting, because the smooth surface has a different effect and the rough surface has another types of effect. So these are the grass in the bottom, and you can see the trees and the leaves here. So now I'm going to draw the tree and connect on the branches in a single tree. Let's move with the color black here. So I'm going to put the black from the bottom to the top. Okay, just putting a straight line like this here. Taking the colors. Okay, for this one let's put a branch here, another branch is here. Okay, let's draw the two connection points from these positions, and we are uh, merging it here in a little bit lower surface. Okay, so when you draw a nice tree, you have to follow few steps before finalizing the drawing. Some other branches can be seen in the middle of the tree. Okay, and here. All right, another branch I'm going to put in these positions. So you have a clear visual outlook of the trees. How does it may look? Now if you like, you can put some effect of the 3D. Just add some white color on the side. Okay, so the branch is getting very clear. All right, and it keeps going on. Okay, so The drawing is almost complete, just few steps. Mhm. So this is the details of the tree. Now I'm going to draw a moon here at the top, just to show it that it's the evening sky. Just putting the moon in this corner. Awesome. So you can see the few steps of doing the good things, and the drawing is going to be pretty much nice. Okay. Alright, so you can see the clear visualizations of the natural scenery as we are trying to show here. And this is a nice painting. You can do this simple painting at home, practice, and the things are going to be better. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.